Welcome to Headphone News, Montreal edition for Tuesday, December 10, 2024.
Escape of 3 Chilean nationals from Quebec detention center. 3 Chilean nationals escaped from the Laval Immigration Holding Center in Laval, Quebec, Canada, on Saturday night. The Canadian Border Services Agency confirmed the escape and issued arrest warrants for Brian Moya, Diego Flores, and Daniel Gonzalez. As of Monday morning, they are still at large. The CBSA has warned the public not to attempt to capture them. The Laval Immigration Holding Center detains people who are waiting for immigration processes. This incident raises concerns about immigration policies and the effectiveness of detention facilities in Canada. The escape may lead to discussions about safety measures and the treatment of detainees. Chile, located in South America, is the home country of these individuals.
Urgences-santé promotes Naloxone access in Quebec during the holidays. Urgences-santé, the emergency medical service in Quebec, Canada, is promoting greater access to Naloxone during the holiday season. Naloxone is an essential medication that can reverse opioid overdoses, which is especially important during festive times when substance use often increases. Recent data reveals that there were nearly 2,000 opioid-related deaths in Canada from January to March 2024, averaging about 21 deaths each day. Emergency medical services reported around 8,700 responses to suspected opioid overdoses this year, with about 96 actions daily. Since the beginning of the year, Urgences-santé has administered over 300 doses of Naloxone. The Quebec Ministry of Health and Social Services has authorized 1,900 pharmacies and 140 local organizations to distribute Naloxone kits for free. Raising awareness and improving access to Naloxone can save lives and relieve the burden on emergency services. The ongoing opioid crisis continues to impact families and communities, emphasizing the need for effective safety measures. Naloxone kits can be obtained without a prescription, making it easier for individuals to be prepared in case of an overdose.
Montreal resident wins $40 million Lotto Max Prize. Jean Lamontagne, a resident of Montreal, recently won half of the $80 million Lotto Max Prize, which amounts to about $30 million United States dollars. He discovered this life-changing news on December 3, 2024, while at work. After the announcement, Lamontagne expressed his desire to maintain a normal lifestyle despite his new wealth. He plans to take simple trips to Europe and Bora Bora. The Lotto Max lottery is known for its large prizes, highlighting how sudden financial gains can influence personal choices and shape societal views on lottery games. In Canada, lottery winnings are not taxed, allowing winners to keep the full amount. This story serves as a reminder of the potential changes that can come with unexpected wealth.
Weather alert for Montreal, freezing rain and snow expected. Montreal, located in Quebec, Canada, is under a special weather alert due to a major weather system approaching the area. Environment Canada is predicting considerable rainfall and changing temperatures, with highs around 4 degrees Celsius. However, the wind may make it feel as cold as -15 degrees Celsius. Freezing rain is expected to begin late Wednesday night, which could create dangerous conditions on roads and in low-lying areas. Residents should get ready for possible power outages and avoid unnecessary travel during this time. This weather system may cause surfaces to freeze suddenly, affecting local infrastructure and public safety. Understanding these conditions is crucial for staying safe and minimizing interruptions.
Quebec's progress on homelessness. Quebec's government has made strides in addressing homelessness, reporting that over 1,000 people found housing last year. Currently, about 10,000 individuals are experiencing homelessness in the province, a significant rise from 5,789 in 2018. In Montreal alone, around 17,000 people are waiting for social housing. To help those in need, the government has introduced programs like the Rapid Entry into Housing and the Rent Supplement Program. A pilot project for modular housing is set to launch by March 2025. Recent data shows there are 2,102 emergency shelter spaces available, an increase of 396 from the previous year. The mobile legal clinic has stepped in to delay evictions of homeless encampments, highlighting the ongoing challenges faced by at-risk groups. These initiatives aim to improve public health and safety, and their success could shape future funding and support for similar programs. Understanding these efforts is vital for grasping the complexities of homelessness in urban areas.
Delay in expansion of Maisonneuve-Rosemont Hospital. The expansion of Maisonneuve-Rosemont Hospital in Montreal, Quebec, has been delayed until mid-2025, setting back the timeline by at least 9 months. The hospital currently has 400 beds, and that number is expected to rise to nearly 750 after the expansion. This project aims to modernize medical services and meet the growing healthcare needs of the community. The estimated cost of the expansion is several billion Canadian dollars, which is around 2.4 billion United States dollars. Although this delay may impact current hospital services, efforts will be made to ensure that healthcare continues during construction. This expansion is part of a larger initiative by the Quebec government to improve healthcare facilities in the province.
ABC Yum, a new initiative for picky eaters. ABC Yum is a new initiative aimed at helping children, especially those with different learning needs, overcome picky eating challenges. Co-founders Catherine Yao, an occupational therapist, and Victoria Milbreth, a pediatric dietitian, created this program in Montreal, Canada. ABC Yum offers online resources, courses, and a workbook called My Food Explorer Book, to assist families in making mealtimes more enjoyable. Many parents and therapists have expressed interest in these resources, highlighting a real need for support. This initiative addresses long wait times for public services and the high costs of private therapy, making it more accessible for families. By providing practical tools and strategies, ABC Yum empowers families to create positive mealtime experiences. This effort underscores the growing recognition of the importance of accessible resources for child health and well-being.
Gilbert Rozon's civil trial in Montreal. The civil trial of Gilbert Rozon, founder of Just for Laughs, began on December 9, 2024, in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. 9 women accuse him of sexual assault and are seeking nearly 14 million Canadian dollars, which is about 10.4 million US dollars. Rozon's legal team argues that these charges are part of a larger narrative to identify a Weinstein of Quebec, referencing the high-profile sexual misconduct cases that emerged during the #MeToo movement. The trial is expected to continue until March 2025. This case highlights ongoing social problems related to sexual misconduct and the legal difficulties faced by victims. The outcome could significantly impact future cases in the entertainment industry in Canada, emphasizing the urgent need to address allegations of sexual assault.
Power outages impact nearly 50,000 in Montreal's West Island. Hydro-Quebec has reported major power outages affecting nearly 47,000 customers in Montreal's West Island. This includes residents in Dollard-des-Ormeaux, Dorval, and Kirkland. A total of 31 outages were caused by equipment problems at a power station, starting on the evening of December 9, 2024. Hydro-Quebec is currently looking into what caused the equipment issues. This situation highlights how important reliable infrastructure is in suburban areas. Many residents are likely facing challenges in their daily routines, and Hydro-Quebec's efforts to restore power will be crucial. Community support and clear communication from Hydro-Quebec will be essential in addressing the concerns of those affected.
Heartbreaking plea for missing puppy in Montreal. An Ontario couple, Naomi and Rocco Durago, faced a heartbreaking situation when their car was stolen in Pointe-Claire, a suburb of Montreal, Canada. Their 4-month-old puppy, Bella, was inside the car when it was taken. The couple had parked their silver Toyota at Fairview Mall while attending a hockey tournament. After about 45 minutes of shopping, they returned to find both the car and Bella missing. They searched the parking lot for an hour before calling the Montreal City Police Service. The police began an investigation and later found the abandoned vehicle, but Bella was not inside. This incident highlights the serious problem of car theft in Montreal, especially in mall parking lots. Pet owners are urged to take precautions, like not leaving pets in vehicles and using devices to prevent theft. Community involvement is crucial in finding lost pets, and public awareness and vigilance are essential. The couple is hoping for a Christmas miracle to reunite with their beloved Bella.
The theft of a beloved statue in Quebec. A bronze statue called Mother and Child, created by artist Plea, was taken from a public square in Westmount, Quebec, Canada. This statue had been a permanent feature in the area since 2022, after spending over 20 years in downtown Montreal. The theft raises worries about the safety of public art and its importance to the community. Plea is known for her contributions to public art, and losing this statue impacts local cultural heritage. Community members are likely to increase security measures and discuss ways to protect public artworks. While the exact worth of the statue is not known, art thefts can vary widely in value. This incident reminds us why it's crucial to safeguard cultural symbols in our public spaces.
Montreal bar fined for dancing permit violation. Champs Sports Bar, located on Saint Laurent Boulevard in Montreal, Quebec, has been charged $3,000 for not having the proper permit to allow dancing. The local liquor board issued the fine after a neighbor complained about noise from the bar. This situation highlights the challenges bars face in maintaining peace in urban areas, where noise laws aim to balance neighborhood life with nightlife. It's essential for businesses to secure the necessary licenses to avoid monetary fines and keep good relations with local residents. That is all the news for today. Thank you for listening to today's Headphone News. News summary brought to you by AI.